Hi! Samahan niyo ako ulit for another tripping day and we're here again kay 3-Lane Residences, Imus, Cavite. Alam niyo ba na marami talagang nagkakagusto kay 3-Lane Residences? Paano ba naman kasi it's one of our project na malapit at accessible lang going to NAIA at Metro Manila and accessible ka lang din going to Daang Hari, Alabang. And by far nga sa Imus, Cavite, ito na talaga yung pinakamurang ma-offer natin na available sa Pag-ibig Financing. At kung wala ka namang Pag-ibig, meron naman tayong option for in-house financing. So paano? Tara samahan niyo ako. Hi everyone! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another tripping day. Would you believe na 5,000 na ang reservation payment natin for this 3-story townhouse? At isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, maliit lang ang community kaya naman safe and secured talaga ang family mo. Isa pa nga sa magandang feature ni 3-Lane Residences, tatlo na ang toilet and bath at 1 in each floor yan. Kaya naman less renovation cost na rin talaga upon turnover. And since open layout tayo, you can customize kung paano ang cut ng kwarto na gusto mo for each floor. Ang estimated monthly amortization pala natin is at 23,000 per month. At alam mo ba, yan yung pinakamura natin ngayon dito sa Imus, Cavite. Siyempre, may magandang community and trusted developer. Ang down payment naman ay payable ng 12 months at 48,000 per month. Sa yung community natin is ongoing construction na din. So, paano? Ito na rin ba ang future bahay mo? Tara, tripping na tayo. See you soon at paalam!